The problem with being yourself and standing out is that the same thing will happen to you as it does to this poor zebra. Look at what happens to a zebra in real life when it's different from the herd. Be careful when you shine, stand out, and are yourself. This isn't going to be a pretty story. Imagine a zebra. If you ask, what are the stripes for? 99% of people will say, for camouflage. The stripes are camouflage. But that's a pretty stupid theory, isn't it? It's like saying, there's a zebra 2 kilometers away. A lion is camouflaged because it's yellow, like dry grass. Or a chameleon, because it changes to the color of whatever it's standing on. Okay, I get that. But then what are the stripes for? This will blow your mind. I learned this from Dr. Jordan Peterson. Imagine you and I are biologists, and we want to study zebra behavior. Finding the herd isn't hard. There it is. That giant black and white striped mass. But when I say, pick one specific zebra and write down everything it does, you can't do it. You can't tell where one zebra ends and the other begins. You look away for 2 seconds, and you've already lost track of the zebra you were watching. So, being clever, you say, I've got an idea. You grab an arrow with a sponge, dip it in a bucket of paint, and mark one zebra's leg. Now you're super happy because you'll finally be able to study it. But guess what happens next? The lions eat it. And you're like, why did they go after my zebra? The reason is that the lions had the exact same problem as you. Lions are organized hunters, and the first thing they need to do to coordinate is decide which zebra to target. Normally, they'll pick the one that's limping, the small one, or the sick one. Not because they like sick zebras, they'd prefer a nice, juicy, healthy one, but the sick one is easier to spot. When you painted your zebra, you doomed it. Zebras, just like people, try to blend in with the herd. They're terrified of being different, because if you're a zebra that stands out, the lions come for you. Now, here are 5 things you need to know about human nature. Number 1, we live in a bucket full of crabs. As good people, we like seeing our neighbors do well, but not too well, and definitely not better than us. Pull them down! Pull them down! Number 2, the nail that sticks out gets hammered down. You're great at your job, everyone in the office admires you, and then your boss gets jealous and fires you. Be careful not to outshine a superior. Number 3, don't share your goals or accomplishments. Life is often like a board game. If someone starts pulling too far ahead, the other players see them as a threat and team up to bring them down. Number 4, be discreet when you step away from the herd. I'm not telling you not to be different. The most successful people are different. What I'm saying is to be subtle so the lions don't come for you. Focus on your habits and work quietly. Look at this graph. The turning point in my life happened when I was 33. That's when things started to improve, when I began focusing on my habits. It happened after I read Atomic Habits, and it frustrates me that I didn't read it sooner. People who read it before they're 30 have such an advantage. Download it for free right now. In the first video on my profile, I'll show you how.